The Brainy Club presents 8 Sign of a True Soulmate. Relationships are something very precious, and when it comes to a romantic relationship, it becomes more special. As falling in love is always a wonderful experience, it adds more beauty and meaning to your life. Each soul has a perfect match, your soulmate. The fairy tales have somewhere conditioned us to believe that there's someone special in this universe who's destined to be our soulmate. The universe kind of guides us when this someone special enters our life. Everything seems so special. But there are some specific signs that mean you have actually found your soulmate. So, here we present to you those 8 undeniable signs. Number 1. He accepts you the way you are. Each and every one of us is unique. We have our own traits and characteristics that make us very special. And it feels beautiful when someone accepts us the way we are. If your partner embraces your uniqueness, he doesn't force you to change your natural self, then he's surely the one you need. No matter how weird your interests may be or how questionable you think your past is, a good partner always accepts you wholeheartedly. Number 2. He supports your dreams. Everyone has dreams and we are capable enough to achieve anything that we have ever dreamt of. A true partner will always respect your ambitions. He will always be supportive of your life goals. He will motivate you to keep working towards your dream by becoming your biggest support system. Number 3. He sees you as his best friend. Friendship is undoubtedly one of the most beautiful relations. Best friends share an incredible chemistry. They are the ones who celebrate your success and also stand by your side during the tough time. Nothing can be greater than having your partner as your best friend. If your partner is someone with whom you can laugh, cry, share your darkest fears and secrets, then he's surely a perfect match for you. Losing him would actually mean losing your best friend. Number 4. He shares a healthy level of independence. Healthy relationships are built by two independent people who share a balanced level of independence. Both of them allow each other to grow together as well as independently. It's very crucial to have your own sense of autonomy along with a feeling of mutual dependence. If your partner allows you to blossom to your full potential, keeping intact the level of interdependency, he's surely your Mr. Right. Number 5. He doesn't feel a need to pretend around you. Sometimes people pretend a lot. They agree to everything you say or do, just to be in your good books or just for the sake of intimacy. But a right guy will always be honest and authentic with you. He doesn't hesitate in saying no to the things which he doesn't like, though he will try his best to do some of the things you love because he doesn't want to hurt you. Number 6. He tries to know the core of you. If a person is genuinely in love with you, he will try to know you on a much deeper level. Your likings, your dislikings, the deep secrets of your past, and any sort of thing which is connected to you. He will invest his time and emotions to know the core of you. Number 7. He comes alive when you're around. It's the little things that will make you feel a spark in your relationship. Whether it's an eye contact, a smile, or any sort of butterflies in your stomach. Notice these little things in your partner. For instance, just try to look into his eyes. Believe it or not, eyes are the biggest reflectors of our emotions. They express the deepest feelings of our heart. So, if he comes alive when you're around him, then he will surely be the one. Number 8. He makes you feel special. If your partner gives you undivided attention and tries his level best to make you feel special, whether it's giving small surprises or planning a dinner or even sending some short messages or anything like that, then you are probably the luckiest girl, as you have found a guy who deeply values for you and your emotions. Hope you liked this video. Hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more amazing videos.